Did you accidentally delete important messages on your iPhone, and now they're gone for good? No iCloud backup, no iTunes backup, nothing. Don't panic. In this guide, you'll learn how to recover permanently deleted messages on iPhone without backup, using 3 proven methods that actually work. When the text messages appear to be deleted permanently, it usually means the data has been unlinked from your messages inbox. Perhaps you just swipe left of a conversation and delete it, or you delete certain texts individually from a conversation, and even have the messages deleted from the recently deleted folder. Or maybe you enable auto-delete old messages within 30 days or 1 year via iPhone settings instead of keeping them forever. Even the messages get permanently deleted without being backed up to iCloud or iTunes. The good news is that data often stays hidden on your phone's storage until it's overwritten by new files. So, today's iPhone Messages Recovery Guide can help you retrieve your permanently deleted texts without a backup, and get back any important chat history, photos, videos, as well as attachments. Okay, first, check the easiest spot: the recently deleted folder. Since iOS 16, Apple keeps deleted messages for up to 30 days prior to the permanent deletion. If your text messages were deleted within the last 30 days and you never cleared your recently deleted folder, it's super easy to find and recover the conversations with no need to restore from a backup file. Now, to restore recently deleted text messages without iPhone backups, open Messages app. Then, tap Edit or Filters in the top left corner, and choose Show Recently Deleted. Browse your deleted conversations, and select the ones you want to bring back. Tap Recover at the bottom, followed by Recover Messages. As you can see, if you still see your messages in recently deleted folder, recovery takes seconds. If the folder is empty, the text threads are technically permanently deleted, and we need to move to method 2. Alright, recovering text messages that have been erased permanently on iPhone by downloading from iCloud. If you have messages in iCloud enabled, which is different from a full iCloud backup, your messages are syncing over to iCloud server. Sometimes, if you delete a message on your iPhone, the deletion may not sync instantly. This is why it's possible to download messages from iCloud with no backup involved. Okay, we go to Settings app, tap Your Name at the top, and choose iCloud. Under Saved to iCloud section, tap Messages. Now you come to the Messages in iCloud screen. If use on this iPhone toggle is already turned on, turn it off, then choose Disable and download messages. Wait for seconds or a minute. Turn use on this iPhone back on. This forces your iPhone to resync the messages, which triggers the recovery of permanently deleted or lost text messages even if you don't have any iCloud or iTunes backup. If the first 2 methods failed, it's time to look at the storage level. This is where Appgeeker iPhone Data Recovery desktop software comes in. It's designed specifically for the no backup scenario by scanning the iPhone's internal database for fragments of deleted data that haven't been overwritten yet. As long as you act quickly, there's a good chance of retrieving iPhone messages you deleted permanently without needing an iOS backup. We've also put the download link in the video's description part for you to get the recovering tool and attempt a text recovery for an iPhone without relying on backup, whether the messages were deleted recently or permanently. Alright, launch Appgeeker iPhone Data Recovery utility once it's installed properly on your Windows PC or Mac. To recover iPhone deleted messages after 30 days from device's memory, choose Recover from iOS device mode on the left column. Then, grab a USB cable and plug it into both your iPhone and computer. Once connected, click Start Scan button. The software will run a deep scan inside the internal memory, and find the deleted messages as well as other data that can be recovered. After the scan, you can actually see the deleted texts, names, and timestamps before you recover them, so you know exactly what you're getting back. Check the boxes for the messages you need one by one, and then click Recover to save them to your computer. No backup is required. Losing messages can be frustrating, but now you know exactly how to recover text messages on an iPhone after permanently deleting without backup. Start with the recently deleted folder, then messages in iCloud syncing. If those fails, use the reliable Appgeeker iPhone Data Recovery program to get back those deleted or lost texts and attachments. Which method worked for you? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes. See you next video.